I'll be discussing the usage of this Q200 SKYRC battery charger. The tips I would like to give is when using LiPo batteries, safety is paramount. Here are some tips for safely storing and managing the LiPo batteries, especially in conjunction with a charge like this Q200 SKYRC charger. So the storage tip is use a LiPo safe bag. So here, this is a typical LiPo safe bag. This has a six compartment, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's very useful. So store your batteries. You store the batteries in a fire resistance LiPo bag or container specifically designed for battery storage. So this is one of the storage tips. Also you want to charge to storage voltage, which I'll be doing today. When not in use, or you have to discharge your LiPo batteries to around 3.7 volts to 3.8 volts per cell. So this is called storage voltage. This helps prolong battery life and reduces the risk of swelling. So these are the LiPo batteries I'll be doing a storage voltage on. So here you have the 4,000 mini amperes capacity, and this is 3,200 milliamperes capacity. As you can see, it's not visible here. These will have a 4 cells connected in series, and this will have a 3 cells, three cells connected in series. I'll be discussing the importance of that when setting the battery charger when time comes. Okay, another tip for storage is to keep cool and dry. So store your batteries in a cool and dry place, away from direct sunlight and heat sources. The ideal temperature are between 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Also, avoid overcharging or discharging. Using this Q200 SKYRC balancing function will ensure each cell is evenly charged and will avoid exceeding the recommended voltage. Also, you have to do a regular inspections of your LiPo batteries. Check your batteries periodically for swelling, or damaging. When you have some indication, for example, the swelling, damage, or leakage, you wanna or discard, throw it away. Any of them that shows signs of damage. Yeah. Okay. And what next I have to discuss is the charging tips with this charger. So you have to set correctly the parameters. Okay, ensure you set the appropriate charge rate and cell count for the LiPo batteries. You have to monitor. You have to monitor the charging. Never leave the batteries unattended while charging. Always monitor the charging process. Use proper connectors. So here you have the connectors to this charger. So this connector goes to the battery. It gives the power, and this is called the balance connector, where you connect this the cells of the batteries. Okay, so this particular charger has 4 ports. Yeah, you can connect 4 different batteries and set the different functions for the batteries that you have. So today I'll be presenting the storage voltage function of this charger. Okay. Right. So also, apart from the using the proper connectors, you have to do balance charging. So balance charging features of this charger is to ensure each cell is charged evenly. Yeah, which enhances battery performance and lifespan. Also, you want to follow the manufacturer guidelines. So always refer to the manufacturer's guidelines for specific charging and storage instructions for the LiPo batteries. Now, purpose of storage charging. So, the storage charging serves a few important purposes for LiPo batteries. So, it prolongs the life of the battery. So by charging the battery to a storage voltage, typically around 3.7 voltage to 3.8 voltage per cell, you will help prevent the chemical degradation, and that can occur when batteries are left fully charged or deeply discharged for extended periods. Safety. So storing batteries in at a voltage lower than their full charge reduces the risk of fire or explosion. So you have to take this in consideration. Storing the batteries at a voltage lower than their full charge reduces his risk of fire or explosion, which can happen if a fully charged LiPo battery is damaged or short-circuited. Storage charging helps in balancing the individual cells within a battery pack, ensuring that they all remain at similar voltage level, which is crucial for safe operations and longevity. Okay, so these are the purpose of storage charging. Well, when you talk about LiPo batteries in RC planes, they are popular. So LiPo batteries are popular in RC planes due to their high energy density at lightweight design. Here are some key points. This will be a key point to give you regarding their use. So high energy density, low weight, and customizable configuration. Okay. When you are charging, one important consideration to take in is, and always use a compatible. You need to use a compatible charger. So, like this Q200 SKYRC charger, and follow proper charging protocols to avoid overcharging or damaging the batteries. It is very important to know about that. You monitor the voltage regularly to ensure they don't drop below safe levels. Okay, so this is the batteries. I just wanted to discuss about in a battery is setting the charging ports of this system. You have to set to you have to set it to the specifications you have on the battery that you want to charge. So for example, this is 4000 milliamperes capacity, so you want to set that to, let me get back to the settings here. So you are taking port the port A that you want to be charging for the 4000 capacity and battery. So you're setting it to 4 amperes. Yeah, this is 4 amperes, and you are setting this to 3S. So what is 3S? So in LiPo batteries, 3S, similar terms refer to the number of cells in the battery pack connected in series. So each cell in LiPo battery has a nominal voltage about 3.7 volts, and by connecting multiple cells in series, you increase the total voltage of the pack. Okay, so for example, one S will be one cell, a 3.7 volts nominal voltage, and for 3S you will have 3 cells in series, 11.1 volts nominal voltage, and 3.7 volts times 3, you have this specification. Right, so how now start to do the storage charging. Okay, so on this battery, you have the meter, the battery meter here. You can check the percentage charge of the battery. So here for this one, it's 30%. When you set to a storage voltage for this percentage charge, it will. So here you have 30% charge, so it will charge up. So since 30% is below the ideal storage range, the charger will gradually bring the voltage up to the storage level. So that will be an automatic adjustment. So once storage mode is selected, the charger will stop at the correct voltage for storage, preventing overcharging. So this is how it will work, and vice versa. So when you have, for example, 80% charge. Let me see if I have one that is having 80% charge. So here you have 80% charge. So yes, for a LiPo battery with 80% charge, you can and should use the storage mode on the Q200 charger. Okay, and it will bring it down to the recommended storage voltage. So how it will work, it will discharge down. So since 80%, since it is 80% above the ideal storage level, the storage mode on the charger will discharge the battery to reach the nominal voltage range of 3.7 to 3.85 volts per cell. So it will do an automatic adjustment. The storage mode will handle this automatically, stopping the discharge once the battery reaches the correct storage voltage. So I will now start the connection now. So here, for this particular charger, you can set to different modes. So here you have battery program for LiPo battery. You can change it if for different settings. This is life battery. This is for lithium ion battery, and this is for high voltage battery if you want to charge that, and different settings that you have here. But today I'll be doing a for a LiPo battery. So I get into these settings, and here you can set for different capacity of your battery. So for this one, I'll start with the 4,000 milliamperes capacity. So I set it for 4 amperes, and this will be balance connector will be on 3S. So here I'm connecting to the power first, so you will not make mistakes on this connection. You have, it's only one direction. You face this groove to this connection here, okay, and then you connect the cells connector to the balance connector here to 3S. Okay, and we have this connected to the station A, and we have LiPo storage mode, okay, and it is set to 3S balance connector, and then starts the charging. So it's just checking the battery, and it's asking you to confirm to start the storage charge. Okay, here you see it's starting to do the storage charging. So for on this one I had the 30%. So what it would do is to as already explained, it will it will start charging up. Since it is 30% below the ideal storage range, the charger would gradually bring the voltage up to storage level, and then it will stop automatically when it is ready. Okay, I'll start connecting the rest of these batteries. So this is 3,200 amperes. So I'm going to the next port. Okay, this is on a battery. I will connect this to B. So this is B here. Okay, I'm connecting that to 3S here. Okay, and I'm going to set the program to the specification of the battery capacity. This is LiPo charge. This is fast charging, but I need the storage. Yeah, so this is where I get in, and I can use 3.2 here amperes. Okay, this is port B already connected. Yeah, so and that is 3,200 capacity connected to the balance connector 3S, and the power already connected to the battery. And this is port B, which I am in. Already set the program, and I am pressing for it to start storage charge. So here we had 80% charge. So what it will do is to bring it down to the nominal level. So this is what we have said here, and I'll check this one. So this is the 3.2 amperes capacity battery connecting to the D ports. This is the power. Okay, and connecting to the 3S balance connector to the cells. Okay, I think this will be connected to the two cells, because this one has the connector settings to 2S. So I have to configure differently for port D. Okay, so getting to stop is already into LiPo storage settings, but I want to get into the specifications of this battery. Is 3.2. Okay, 3.2 amperes. Okay, and then I'll go to the battery balance connector. Here is on 2S. Okay, and it will get a voltage of 7.4, as already explained earlier. Okay, and I'll check the battery and then confirm to charge. So let's see if this one is ready, or it has to be storage charged. Okay, I think it's working, and we'll leave it to start to do the charging, and we'll monitor the process. Okay, so this is all I have for you. Thank you.